So today we are going to be discussing lesson number 7 that I learned within this 20 years of my trading Forex, futures, cryptos, and of course stocks market. Now I focus more on futures and Forex. Like if you've been following this series by now, you will know that I started trading the Forex market 2006. That is 20 years right there. And I started trading the futures market 2022, 2023. So we're talking about 3 to 4 years. Now, we've talked about lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In case you missed any of those lessons, the links will be at the description of this video. Hey, see guys, I have lost the money you're supposed to lose, okay? And that is why I am creating this kind of video series. This type of videos are not common online because everybody is a guru. Everybody present themselves as always winning kind of a guru. So if you follow these lessons, it will save you a lot of money, it will save you a lot of headache, and it will save you heartache. So what is lesson number 7? Trading is more psychological than technical. Let me repeat that. Trading is more psychological than technical. When I treat or when I teach the success triangle in trading, you discover that technical trading or technical indicators or technicalities of trading is just 10%. Honestly speaking, it's just 10%. Let me share my screen and show you something. So when we talk about success triangle, so let's draw a triangle. Okay, let's draw a triangle. This is a triangle. Don't mind my drawing. So this is side A, this is side B, and this is side C. So when we talk about success triangle of trading, this side right here is the technical. Okay, the technical, to be honest with you, it takes just 10%. And this 10% is what people look for. This 10% is the holy grail. Oh, everybody is looking for that magic wand. Everybody is looking for that, holy grail indicator. That, the latest indicator. Everything. Oh, the trend line, support and resistance, mention is ICT, whatever you might call it, smart money concept. Everything are under this 10%. Okay, the 20% are these 20% right here are the external factor. Okay, what are these external factor? For instance, you place a trade and your system just freeze. You have no control over it. Or you place a trade and you have an emergency and you forgot that you even have a trade. Those are external factors. Meanwhile, some of them can actually be, prevented. So this 20%, you have no control over it. 10%, yeah, like I said, this is what people look after. Now, what is more responsible for our success takes this 70%. And that is your psychology. Okay, that is your psychology. Trading psychology. So this trading psychology, this is what takes care of your risk, your emotions, fear, greed, revenge, and so on and so forth. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. Indicators don't blow account. Emotions do. Fear, greed, revenge, and ego are the real enemies in this industry. So if you are looking for that holy grail, first of all, you need to focus on building psychology, your mentality, yourself. Many people come to trading industry with wrong motive, because you see those flash cars, those Ferrari, Lamborghinis, private jet. Yeah, it is possible, and trust me, it is doable. Those are the things that are possible with trading, but you can't just start trading and overnight. There's nothing like overnight success. Those Ferrari, those Lambos, trust me, majority of them actually rent those stuff just to sell lifestyle. So are you learning how to trade because of the lifestyle, or you are learning how to trade because you want freedom? You want to be able to sit at home, do your own thing, at your own time, wake up, you can trade anywhere. It's not because of those fast cars. If those big mansions, fast cars come along with it, yes, you give praise to God, but those shouldn't be the major reason why you are trading. So what is lesson number 7? Once again, trading is more psychological than technical. It's more psychological than technical. You need to build your psychology right. Okay, come to trading with right mindset, and if you do that, I promise you success will be yours. By the way, my friend, this is the Forex Apostle 2.0. If you notice, I've been offline for a while. Now I am back. I need your favor to get this channel back on its ground and back on its feet. Okay, so please smash that subscribe button, like this video, share it with as many people that you feel will benefit from this message. I call it a message. You remember, my name is the Forex Apostle. So this is a message that will save somebody's thousands, if not millions of dollars. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video.